In this tutorial video, I shall explain some questions from chapter Volume and Surface Areas, exercise 13.3. So, watch the complete video. Let us consider the very first question of this exercise. A metallic sphere of radius 4.2 cm is melted and recast into the shape of a cylinder of radius 6 cm. Find the height of the cylinder. So according to the question, it is given that a metallic sphere is melted and recast into the shape of a cylinder. So first of all, let us consider a sphere with radius 4.2 centimeter. Radius of this sphere we can have 4.2 centimeter. We can write here 4.2 centimeter is the radius of this sphere. This is melted and recast into the shape of a cylinder. So it is melted and recast into the form of cylinder in this cylinder. Now here the radius of the cylinder is given 6 centimeter. So here we can draw the radius of this cylinder, that is given 6 centimeter. Find the height of the cylinder. We can assume let the height of cylinder is equals to h centimeter. So here let us see the solution. In solution we can write radius r1 of sphere is equals to 4.2 centimeter. Next line, radius r2 of cylinder is equals to 6 centimeter. Next line we can write let the height of cylinder be h. As we know, the object formed by recasting the sphere will be same in the volume. So in the next line we can write volume of sphere must be equals to volume of cylinder, because we are transforming this sphere into the shape of cylinder. Hence the volume of this sphere and volume of this cylinder will be equal. After that we can write the formula of volume of sphere, that is equals to 4 upon 3 pi r cube, but on the place of radius we can write r1. Now here volume of cylinder we can write pi r square h, and on the place of radius we can write r2. R1 is the radius of the sphere and R2 is the radius of cylinder. After that we can put the value of R1, that is 4.2, R2 that is equals to 6. Pi and pi both will cancel. In the next line we can write 4 upon 3 pi 4.2 cube into equals to pi into 6 square into h. So here pi and pi both will cancel. So finally we can write here h equals to 4 into 4.2 into 4.2 into 4.2 divided by 3 into 36. After solving this line we may have h equals to 2.74 centimeter. So finally we have the height of cylinder so formed will be 2.74 centimeter. So this is the final solution of this question. Let us consider question number 3. A 20-meter deep well with diameter 7 meter is dug and the earth from digging is evenly spread out to form a platform 22 meter by 14 meter. Find the height of the platform. So according to this question, a 20-meter deep well with diameter 7 meter is dug. So let us consider a well with diameter 7 meter. The diameter of this well is given 7 meter. So we can draw the diameter, that is equals to 7 meter, and the height or depth is given 20 meter, that we can take 20 meter. This is the height of this well. Earth from digging is evenly spread out to form a platform 22 meter by 14 meter. So we will consider a platform with length 22 meter. Let us consider the length of this platform is equals to 22 meter while the breadth is given 14 meter. So we can write here breadth equals to 14 meter. Find the height of this platform. So we can assume let the height of this platform is equals to h meter. According to the question, the earth taken out from this well is spread over this platform. So the volume of this earth taken out from the well will be equals to the volume of this platform. So let us see the solution of this question. Depth h of well is equals to 20 meter. It is already given in the question. Radius of circular end of the well will be equals to 7 upon 2 meter. Because the diameter is given 7 meter, hence the radius will be equals to 7 upon 2 meter. Now here we can assume let the height of platform be h. Length and breadth of platform is given. Length is given 22 meter while breadth of platform is given 14 meter. Now next line of the solution can be volume of soil dug from the well will be equal to the volume of soil scattered on the platform, because just now I explained the volume of earth taken out from this well will be equals to the volume of soil on the platform. Hence we can say volume of soil from the well will be equals to volume of soil used to make this platform. After that we can write the formula of volume of soil of well, that will be equals to pi r square h, because this well is cylindrical in shape. So we can write the formula pi r square h, and for this platform we can write L into B into H. Radius of this well is given 7 upon 2 meter. So we can write 7 upon 2 meter. On the place of pi we can write 22 upon 7. On the place of h we can write 20 meter. Now length, breadth and height of this platform can be like this. Length will be 22 meter, breadth will be 14, while the height we have to calculate. So finally we can write h equals to 22 into 49 into 20 upon 7 into 4 into 22 into 14. And finally after solving this one we can have 2.5 meter. So we can say hence the height of the platform will be 2.5 meter. So this is the final solution of this question. Now let us have question number 5. A container shaped like a right circular cylinder having diameter 12 centimeter and height 15 centimeter is full of ice cream. The ice cream is to be filled into cones of height 12 centimeter and diameter 6 centimeter, having a hemispherical shape on the top. Find the number of such cones which can be filled with the ice cream. So according to this question, a container is having the ice cream. The shape of the container is just like a cylinder. So we have to consider a container which contains the ice cream whose diameter is given 12 centimeter. So we can draw the diameter, that is equals to 12 centimeter. Since the diameter of this container is 12 centimeter, hence we can say radius of this container will be equals to 6 centimeter, and the height of this container is given 15 centimeter. So we can write here height of this container is equals to 15 centimeter. The next line of the question is the ice cream is to be filled into cones of height 12 centimeter and diameter 6 centimeter. So let us consider a cone with diameter 6 centimeter. Here the diameter of this cone is given 6 centimeter while the height of this cone is given 12 centimeter, having a hemispherical shape on the top. It is having a hemispherical shape on the top. So the diameter of this hemispherical shape and the cone will be equals to 6 centimeter, and we have to find the number of such cones which can be filled with the ice cream. So here we can assume let there are n number of cones which can be filled with these ice creams, which is put inside the cylindrical vessels, or we can say container. So according to the question, the volume of ice cream contained in the cylindrical container will be equals to n into volume of ice cream in one cone. So we can write the solution here. Let n ice cream cones be filled with ice cream of the container, and here the volume of ice cream in the container will be equals to n into volume of one ice cream cone plus volume of hemispherical shape on the top, because one cone is consisting the ice cream inside the cone as well as on the hemispherical part also. So here we have assumed we have n number of cones. So volume of ice cream in the cylinder will be equals to n into volume of one ice cream cone plus volume of hemispherical shape on the top. After that we can write the formula of volume of ice cream in the cylinder, that will be equals to pi capital R square into H. Here the radius of this container I have taken capital R while the radius of this cone and this hemispherical I have taken small r. Hemisphere and the cone both will have the same radius because the base of both are equal. That's why the radius will be equal. So the next line we can write here, pi r square h is equals to n into 1 upon 3 pi r square h. This is the volume of ice cream in the cone. Now 2 upon 3 pi r cube is the volume of ice cream in the hemispherical shape. After that we can put the value of radius, that will be equals to 6 centimeter because the diameter is given 12 centimeter. Hence the radius will be equals to 6 centimeter and the height is given 15 centimeter, and here the radius we can write 3 centimeter, height of the cone we can write 12 centimeter, and the radius of hemisphere we can write 3 centimeter. After solving this one, we will have n equals to 36 into 15 into 3 upon 162, and finally we will have n equals to 10. Hence 10 ice cream cones can be filled with the ice cream in the container. So this is the final solution. Thank you for watching this video.